right, well, hello there. It is Friday, July 21st, and it is about 12:30 in the afternoon. Busy day so far today. Very productive day so far. Except for the contractors. Still no show on the contractors. Eh, but I had my morning sale, so thank you to everyone who came and hung out for the morning sale. And let's see, I went out, I drove my car because it's been a little while, so I had to drive it around. Yep, keep the battery and everything fresh. So, because I haven't been sourcing because of the contractors, because of their we'll be here Thursday. No, we won't. We'll be here either Thursday or Friday. It's not looking like it. So, yeah, they're putting they're putting a little bit of a into my sourcing. So, yeah, hopefully we can get this wrapped up and I can get sourcing again because I need to. So for the morning sale, let's see. Oh, where are my notes? Okay, I brought 39 items to the sale. 20 of them sold, so 19 are still available. So that's about half sold, and half are still available. All right, so let's start with the items that are still available. So again, if you are interested in purchasing, just like the speed round, it works just the same as if you're watching the live sale speed round. Hey, send me an email, comment on the video below if you see something you're interested in and would like to purchase. All right, I am going to flip this around. There we go. So I have got, let's see, what do we have left? I've got, oops, let me put these in a different order here. So these are the $2. So this little guy, he is a rhino. His name is Spike. He's got his tags. He is $2 for the rhino. And this is a little mystery animal. It might be a mouse. It might be a hamster. We're not really sure what he is. But since he doesn't have any tags on him, he's just going to be $2. $2 for the little rainbow mystery animal. I know sometimes it is a little hard to tell. Now, this one I think is the same. I think now that I see them together, I think he is the same. He just is the sequin one. Now, he's $3, and his name, we're really not going to focus. Okay, Dottie. That doesn't really help. It doesn't help identify. But he is $3. The little panda. The panda named, oh gosh, I can't remember. Puck? I think his name is Puck. The little panda. He is $3. And the little penguin named Pocket. He is $3. Then I have some of the regular ties. Yep, this little puppy, his name was it Butch? Oh gosh, so many names to try to remember. Come on, focus. Focus. Yes, Butch. Butch is also $3. And then I've got the birthday bear. So he's got a really pretty candle. His tag is in plastic, but on here he does say BB Bear, and he is $3. Okay, so then we're going to move up into the $5 ties. This little one is I think a platypus. I think with the bill. This is Petunia. Petunia, I think platypus, so $5. We've got the seahorse. Neptune. Neptune, the beautiful seahorse. $5. And then we've got the bigger penguin here. This one is, I had the little one. Oh, I think he's Pongo, isn't he? Pongo, yep. So the little one sold. You're going to see him in a second in the sold pile. But the bigger one, $5 for Pongo. This one I think is a bobcat named Buckwheat. Look at those beautiful orange eyes. Yeah, if he doesn't sell, I think I'm going to bring him back for a Halloween sale. Because look at that. Doesn't he look cool for Halloween? Yeah, so you'll see him then if he doesn't sell. I've got an owl. This one is all pink. And this one's name is Twiggy. So an all pink owl. And then I have Owen. I have two Owens. I've got the 6-inch Owen and the, is he 10-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, the bigger Owen. So the little one is $5. The bigger one is $10, as is the little lamb. So this little lamb, this is a big one. Name is Daffodil. So that one is also $10 for the lamb. That is going to look awesome in someone's Easter display. Then I had some kind of fabric. This one isn't quite fabric. It's kind of finished, but it is a beautiful horse. Now, you can use this as a wall hanging. It does have the little hangers, or you can put it on a chair, on the end of a bed, but it is beautifully, beautifully stitched. Here, I'll pan out so you can see that one a little better. I think it was 23 by 20 inches. And that one was $12. $12 for that. Then I've got some fabric. So this one, I think there is 5 yards. This is Kitty Cucumber by Daisy Kingdom. And again, I'll pan out so you can see that whole beautiful design. Then we'll get in close so you can see some of the lovely details on this one. So for all 5 yards, it's $20 or $4 a yard. Then I've got this one. This is called Ho Ho Ho, and it's got these diamond-shaped patterns in it. Holly, gingerbread men, candy canes, stockings, packages. It's got so much going on. This one I think is 3 yards. 3 yards, so $12 or $4 a yard. And then this one is also 5 yards of this great check pattern with the beautiful tree in the center. So that one again, $20 for all 5 yards or $4 a yard. Okay, so those are the 19 items that are still available. Okay, so now we're going to look at the 20 items that sold. So we'll start with the back here. This is a kitty named, oh gosh, trying to find those names is so hard there. We'll do it this way. Ooh, maybe Whimsy. And that is the flippables. So half is silver, half is blue. Same with the flamingo. The flamingo named Pinky. Half is silver and half is pink. Then we've got the little zebra. Half is pink and white, half is black and white, and the zebra is Zoe. And then we've got the bunny, which is Lollipop. That is the big one, the big bunny. We've got National Geographic penguin. We've got the Stackables tiger, Stackables minion. This is a Disney, but it is Minnie Mouse. Adorable. We've got a Squishmallow, little Squishmallow hippo, the orange elephant, and then this one is the mini Pongo. That matches the larger penguin over there. This one is a rust berry, and it's a berry. Yeah, it's a little strawberry. So it is Baylor berry. We've got a little lamb named Yui, the pig named Squealer. This little pig, I think this one is Curly. Yep, that's Curly, that's Squealer. Then we've got the puppy named Gypsy. This is the husky named Prince. And then the owl, and this one is Hootie, Hootie the owl. And then I did have some fabric that sold, this Jingle Bells fabric, and then the beautiful kitty cucumber with the blue background. All right, so those are the 20 items that sold. Okay, so rest of my time, yep, gonna get the table organized, get the items that sold upstairs, the items that didn't sell, gonna get them organized down here. Then I need to set up for the sale tonight. Yep, tonight it is the Suspizio show. So, yeah, I got to get my items ready for that sale. Then I have to decide if the contractors show up or not, what I'm going to spend my time doing. I really need to, I need to spend like just another hour or so, I think, getting my eBay store updated with the new shipping and getting it refreshed. I think I can do it in an hour. I may just go ahead and do it today because I've only got really just about 3 hours to get everything done before the Suspizio show tonight. So I think I'm going to do that. I've got the computer work to do. I've got to share my sale, social media. I do all of that. That doesn't take very long. Enter the sales. That goes real quick also. But I will get that done. So, yeah. So if anything happens, I will check back in with you. Otherwise, yeah, I'm probably going to see you after the sale. But we'll see. We'll see what else comes up. But if nothing else, I'll see you after the sale tonight. All right. Well, one thing I forgot to do was give you an update on the mail that is going out today. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages going out. And yeah, I will keep monitoring for any payments that come in and add those to the stack. But that's what I've got going out so far today. All right, well, hello. It is just a little after 10 o'clock tonight. If you joined Sue and Aaron and myself for the Suspizio show, then you know I was gone for a couple hours during the Suspizio show. And the reason I was gone is because the contractor came to put in the baseboards. So as anticipated, we did have a little bit of a problem getting the cable cord thread back through, but we finally did have success. So I'll show you what's going on with that, and I'll show you how things ended up looking. So we're going to flip in my living room. So here is the wall that part was out of. I still need to do a little cleanup, but there we go. That is how that looks now. This is where we ran into some trouble here, getting the cable to come back through. Because things didn't line up exactly how we anticipated, but they made it work. So we got that. That took some time. That was like the majority of the time that it took. All right, so now we're in the bathroom. This around. Okay, so here we go. Here is the wall. Here is the toilet. Yep, and there is the back wall. We've got The baseboard all back on. Again, I have to do a little cleanup. But yeah, that is looking good in there. And then we're going to go around over here to the laundry room, and we're going to take a look in here. So here we go. Now, you can't really see most of the work that was done because it's behind the washing machine. Yeah, but that is the cable that ended up causing all kinds of trouble. This piece, I don't remember exactly where this piece came from and how that was hooked in. So yeah, but there is a hole right there. And when you open up this cabinet, I have to redo the shelves. We did get the shelves back in, but I have to redo them because I think this one, in fact, goes down here. But, you know, hey, it's in here. So that's the important thing. Have to do a little cleanup. But that cable goes from, oops, let me get this here. From over here, and then through that hole I showed you in the living room. Oh my goodness. But yeah, most of the work was done behind, a little bit right here. But here is the shelving unit back up. So yay, that is awesome. And yeah, and the baseboards are back on. The only thing we need is a little piece across here. And then yeah, that is done. So what a relief to have all this done. Washer and dryer back hooked up. I did not make sure that was plugged in. I should have. Let's see. Yeah, oh, cord not quite how I would have liked it, but at least it is plugged in. So so there we go. That is done. So yeah, aside from the little threshold there, what a relief. Whew, what a journey. My neighbors, yeah, they're still working on that. So yeah, gonna wish them all the best of luck getting through the rest of theirs. But we're gonna go over to the table and talk about the sale. All right, so I am back over at the table. Friday night sales. We bring 15 items. I actually brought 16 items because one item was choice, and I sold 8. So I sold half of the items. So let's go ahead and talk about what didn't sell and is still available. So I'm going to flip around here. So I have this great book, Boys' Favorite Stories, The Little Tin Soldier, Aladdin, Dick Whittington and His Cat, and Sinbad the Sailor. There was a little writing in there. I could not find a date, a publishing date, but that one was $8. I have this great home interiors picture of Santa, beautifully framed in wood, great matting on it, and that was 13 by 13 inches, and that was $20. I brought some antique Christmas postcards. There were 5 lots. There's all 5 of the lots. There are 8 cards in each lot. They were $12, and they are all still available. And then, oh, I needed to double check. Okay, so this gal here in the beautiful blue dress, this is $12, and this is a picture mounted on a board, but it does have a hole in the back so you can hang it. So she is $12. Okay, so that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, those are the 8 items that are still available after the sale. Okay, so what sold? Well, I brought some paper dolls. Yep, these have never been opened. Hi, Joe. Not now. They've never been opened. We have Prince Charming, Snow White, Cinderella, and Sleeping Beauty. Then I had this really fun Shakespeare. Shakespeare Says. So you can dress Shakespeare, and he comes with quotes. He's 15 inches tall. He's a good size. Brenda Starr, Girl Reporter. I got this one mostly because when I opened it and I saw this, I went, wow, that alone is so cool. So yeah, this is based off of the comic strip, and that book came out in 50 or 43, I think, 43. Then I had, oops, I'm going to flip around this way. So this is the one I had for choice. And so this one did sell. The other one is still available. And the 1991 Sears catalog. 1,600 pages in the Sears catalog. Holy cow. Yeah, so that is everything that sold. Right. Oh, it's been a long day. It's been an absolutely long day. I am exhausted. I am going to wrap things up for tonight and yeah, get the table cleared off and everything. Hi, Joe. So, a little dose of Joe. Hi, buddy. So that is going to do it for the vlog today. And I will see you tomorrow for my late night sale, Saturday night, with Jenny's this week. So I hope you can join us. And yeah, so I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.